कांग्रेस पार्टी
जिंदाबाद राहुल गांधी जिंदाबाद जयकुमार रेड्डी जिंदाबाद राहुल गांधी
వెంటబాకండి పక్క పోవాలి
మీరు ముందు ఉండాలా వెనకాల ఉంటే
చూడండి.
Today we are here to launch the digital membership of the All India Congress Committee in Andhra Pradesh. On the 5th of this month, the membership was launched in the headquarters Vijayawada by our Honorable PRO Meenakshi Natarajan ji. Friends, you are all aware the current prevailing situation in our country, what the BJP government is really up to. This BJP government doesn't have any social responsibility towards the country. They came with very big promises into power, saying that huge number of employment would be created. But right now we are seeing our youth without unemployment. Lot of unemployment is prevailing. There is no employment. There is no proper system of education. The Dalits and minorities of this country are really, they are undergoing such atrocities that cannot be described in words. UP has become the rape capital of the country. I would recall an incident 3 days before in Delhi, the capital of our country. An 87-year-old woman was raped. The government doesn't have any answer. Srimati Smriti Irani and Nirmala Sitharaman ji, they would always speak up. When Manmohan Singh ji was the Prime Minister, Smriti Irani even dared to send him bangles, saying that his failure to control the economic and increasing price rise of the country. Now I would like to ask Ms. Smriti Irani whether the country lacks bangles and why she can't send the same bangles to Mr. Modi. When this kind of atrocities is raising against women, when the gas cylinder price rise is skyrocketing, when the essential commodities rates are skyrocketing, they don't have any answer. If we ask Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ji about the price rise, she would say that she would never eat onions. We wonder what would she eat. So this is the kind of situation that is prevailing in our country when the entire world was facing the economic downtrodden. It is under the honorable leadership of Sri Manmohan Singh ji and Mr. Chidambaram ji that our country was doing very well in economy. Now if you see the GDP rate and if you see the inflation, it's alarming. The businessmen, the corporators across the world doesn't want to invest in our country because of the situation that is prevailing here in the name of caste and creed. The people of our country are divisive. They are made divisive. The central government is playing a main role of divisive politics in our country, especially in northern states like Uttar Pradesh, especially. Now that same culture is reflecting in our neighboring state Karnataka, which is very worrying. It wouldn't take much long to reach to Andhra and Telangana and my own state, Tamil Nadu. So this is the kind of situation that is prevailing in our country. And the only one and one voice that is time and again raising against the atrocities of BJP is the voice of none other than our honorable leader, which can stand against the atrocities of BJP, which can come in the front and Daromat. The slogan of our leader is Daromat, who can come and directly oppose Shri Modi ji and his atrocified government in the parliament is none other than the Congress party. I appeal to the public of Andhra Pradesh to understand their social responsibilities. There are several regional parties, like a regional party which is ruling in Andhra Pradesh, a regional party which is ruling in West Bengal, a regional party which is ruling in Tamil Nadu. But the difference is, the regional party which is ruling in West Bengal and Tamil Nadu has the guts to talk back against the government, the centre government. But very rarely we find the state government of Andhra Pradesh and the Union Territory government of Delhi really speaking up against the central government. They don't speak. In fact, Arvind Kejriwal ji, before he came into power with the slogan of Lokpal. What is the meaning of Lokpal? We are in a democratic country. Jan Nayak bolte hain. हम लोग जन नायक में हैं क्या? Are we in the country where we are ruled by the people, whether it is of the people, by the people, for the people? This is an alarming question mark which is in front of us. So I appeal to the Congress workers to do the digital membership in more numbers, to increase our vote bank, to call for youth, women, sections of minorities, sections of Dalits, sections of OBCs, and sections of all communities and sections of people with social responsibility to join in huge numbers in the Congress party under the leadership of Nellore DCC President and the PCC President of Andhra Pradesh to strengthen the Congress party, because I again repeat, there is none other party in this country which can voice its voice against the atrocities of BJP. It is only the Congress party which can actually fight for a special category status of Andhra Pradesh. Nobody else can fight. It is only Congress party. If we come to power in Andhra Pradesh, we assure you that we will fight for the special category status of Andhra Pradesh. And if we take the various issues, let it be Hathras, or let it be Unnao, or let it be X, or let it be Y, or let it be Z. It is only Priyanka Gandhi ji and Rahul Gandhi ji standing on the road. They're fighting on the road, they're fighting on the street. Why don't the other chief ministers of the regional party really go and join them or voice for them? No. Regional parties are, they don't have a wider interest of social responsibility. So, my dear friends, I again appeal to support the digital membership of the Congress party and increase our support. Thank you very much.